everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download a Shein application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Shein application on your iPhone, go and tap open your app store. Before beginning, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data, and once you are, go to the search box at the top, type in SHEIN Shein and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result at the very top. Simply tap on the Get button right next to the app to begin the download. Your download will start. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your iPhone. Shein is a Chinese online fast fashion retailer. It mainly focuses on women's wear but also offers men's apparel, children's clothes, and so much more. If you tap on the application that says Shein Fashion Shopping Online, you'll be able to see further information about the app. With the application installed on your mobile devices, you'll be able to shop online with affordable prices anywhere at any time. Once the application gets downloaded on your iPhone, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download the Shein application for your iPhone. Allow the application to track all of your activities across other companies, apps, and websites by tapping on Allow and get started shopping. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.